How to drive a stick shift car. First, you gotta wear old worn out shoes. Next, you gotta bring up the seat, adjust it, make sure you can fully press in the clutch all the way in with ease. There we go. Know your pedals. Gas, brake, clutch, and the shifter. This here far left one is called the clutch. You use that every time you want to change gears. That one's a brake, you know what that is, and that's the gas, you know what that is too. This is the shifty boy. We're going to be using this to go into gear and out of gear. Learn the pattern, you don't want to mess this up. Mine's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. Right here like that, it's in neutral. Go like that, and just let it go, and that's neutral. To start the car, make sure it's in neutral. Press the clutch all the way in. Key in, then... To take off, you gotta put it into first gear. So you're gonna press the clutch all the way in. And over here, first gear. And now, here's the tricky part. You gotta slowly release the clutch and slowly give it gas at the same time. So it'll look something like this. Okay, clutch all the way in, first gear. Slowly let go of the clutch. Slowly give it gas. There you go. Y'all saw that? So that's how it should go. Okay, I probably explained that like shit, but luckily, here I made y'all a video. Push the clutch all the way in, put the car into first gear using the shifter, slowly release the clutch as you start giving it a little bit of gas. And then once your feet meet at about the halfway mark, you can fully let go of the clutch and then just focus on the gas, and by then your car should be going and you're ready for the next step. So it's not that hard now, is it? Okay, so clutch all the way in, then you put it into first, and now slowly let go of the clutch as you slowly give it some gas, and then when you feel it moving, you can let go of the clutch completely. Here we go. Okay, so just fuck around with that for a little bit, get that down. Okay, so we got the hardest part down, which was taking off. After you take off, shifting is easy. You just gotta push the clutch in all the way in again, and then drop it down to second, or third, or fourth, or whatever you're shifting to. But before you can put it into the new gear, you gotta let off the gas. You already took off, so you're already in first gear, so you're on the gas. Let off the gas, push the clutch all the way in, and then go into your new gear. And then release the clutch and get back on the gas. It should look something like this. You ready? Okay, so we took off. Fuck. Oh, y'all heard that? Did y'all hear that? Oh, god damn, y'all heard that? It did a little pop. First gear, because we're taking off. Okay, on the gas. Let go of the gas, clutch in, second, back on the gas. Okay, you know what? Let's do it one more time. Just first, take off. We're on the gas, let go of the gas, clutch all the way in, second, back on the gas. Goodness gracious, look at that, you're a pro almost already. You're almost as good as me. Not yet, not quite, never will, but you'll get close to me. Now I gotta teach y'all how to brake, or how to stop, or how to do both. Okay, so we're in first gear, take off. Fuck, don't, jeez Louise, see what y'all do. First gear, take off. Second gear, and then to brake, you just slowly press on the brake. But that's not going to bring you to a dead stop, that's just going to slow you down. To go to a dead stop, you can't go to a dead stop with any gear. You gotta clutch in, neutral, and now you can dead stop. See that? Neutral, dead stop. And now for your final lesson, taking off, going uphill. So let's say you're driving, there's a red light, that's a red light. See that stop sign? That's a red light. But it's like this, it's going uphill. We're at a complete stop and now we gotta take off. We're gonna freaking roll back. Y'all see? Rolling back. That's not good, because then you're gonna hit the person behind you. So this is how I learned. You put your e-brake all the way up, make sure, there we go. Now it's not going anywhere. We're not stepping on the brake. Red light, And then once it hits green, you gotta, well, before it hits green, you put your clutch all the way in first, as if we were gonna take off. And then put your right foot, have your right foot ready on the gas. Because y'all remember how I told y'all to take off? We're gonna do that, but we're gonna mix in the e-brake, the handbrake. Click the little button down to disengage it, but not all the way. Don't bring it down, okay? And now slowly release the clutch while you give it a little bit of gas. And then once it starts taking off a little bit, let go of the handbrake a little bit more, and then bam, right down. And then you took off. Y'all see that? And then practice this on an uphill, like a little uphill like this, and then you can just roll back and restart. There we go. You roll back all the way up again, not going anywhere. Clutch in first. Look, there we go. Slowly release the clutch, give it a little bit of gas. There we go. And then, ooh, last tip I gotta give y'all. Don't be afraid to give it a lot of gas. It's better to do a little burnout than to back in to the guy behind you or stall. So if you get nervous, you think it's gonna fail, just freaking give it a lot of gas. And then, yeah, that's the worst that will happen, a little burnout. But you're safe, you're good to go. First, second, third, fourth, and you didn't look like a dumbass stalling. That's it for this video. Next video, maybe if y'all want, I can teach you how to downshift and be a professional driver like me. But that's it for today. I'm out of breath, I'm tired, I gotta pee. Okay, y'all, bye bye. Say bye bye. David Jr., say bye bye. He's shy right now.